Hi everybody, this is Atanu Betal and you are welcome to this video lecture. Today I am discussing about atom, ion and molecules. So now we are uh, explaining this topic, atom, ion and molecule one by one. First, atom. An atom is the smallest part of the substance which take part in chemical reaction and may exist independently or may not. For example, we will see the example that where atom exists independently or where does not exist independently. Hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom does not exist independently, it forms H2 molecule. But helium atom exists independently. It does not form molecule because it has already a stable electronic configuration, so it does not combine more than one atoms to form a molecule. So atoms may exist independently, may not exist independently. An atom contains all the physical and chemical properties of the element. An atom has atomic masses. More than one atomic masses are possible, which are called isotopes. For an atom, more than one atomic masses of atoms are possible. An atom is neutral in charge. An atom has no charge, it is neutral, it carries no charge. An atom has three fundamental particles. An atom has three fundamental particles, and when we split up an atom, we get three fundamental particles. Namely as electron, proton and neutron. An atom combine with another atom or a group of atoms to form a molecule by chemical bonding forces. There are three types of chemical bonding forces major involved for bonding of the atoms. Second point is about molecule. A molecule is formed when a number of atoms are joined together by chemical bonding forces. An atom when an atom joined with another atom form molecule. Here similar kind of atoms can join to form a molecule, or different kind of atoms can join together by chemical force and form a molecule. So we are seeing this thing with example. For suppose example, O2 molecule. O2 molecule is formed by the bonding of two oxygen atoms. It is called homoatomic molecule. But HCl is a molecule which is heteroatomic molecule because hydrogen and chlorine both are a different atom. So when different atoms are combined to form a molecule, we call the molecule as heteroatomic molecule. And when similar kind of atoms are joined together to form a molecule, we call the molecule as homoatomic molecule. So two types of molecules are formed. A molecule exists independently, and molecule contains all the physical and chemical properties of the element. A molecule is electrically neutral, it has no charge. We are seeing no charge on its top, so molecule has no charge. A molecule has molecular masses. A molecule has molecular mass, and we know the molecular mass of different molecules, water 18 gram, etc. Ion is the charged particle, charged species which is present in solution or in solid state. So ions always be charged particle. It could be cation or anion. Cation means the ion which have positive charge, anion means the ion which have negatively charged. So how cation and anions are formed? Cations are formed by losing one or more electron from an atom or ion, and anions is formed by gaining one or more electron by an atom or ion or molecule. Now we are seeing some example how cations and anions are formed. We take example first, example as sodium. Sodium plus ion is formed by losing one electron from sodium atom. It is called cation. Sodium plus cation is formed. When chlorine atom gains one electron, it forms chloride ion as anion. So atom gain electron to form anion, and atom lose electron to form cation. The molecule may also gain or lose electron. For example, H2O. H2O also can form H3O plus by gaining by losing its electron pair, oxygen atom. Coordinate bonding is taking place. So it is the example of ion, cation, which is also a cation. Cation which is formed from a molecule. So similarly we can expect another one, HNO3. No, NH3 to NH4 plus. Here the molecule is a neutral one, but the cation is formed by this molecule NH4 plus. So it is an example where cation is forming from the molecule. So this is about the topic. This is the discussion about this topic, atom, ions and molecules. I think you understand this topic, and if you have any question or any opinion, you can write in the comment section. I would definitely see your comment, read your comment, and if you find this channel is useful to you, then you can subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.